Uganda's tourism earnings dropped by 73% from 5.8 trillion in 2019 to 4.1 trillion in 2020. The question is, what next for the tourism sector? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Travel with Enock and Jaqi.
The banks of the Nyinabulitwa Crater Lake, Crater Safari Lodge blends perfect well with its surrounding landscape. The lodge places safari goers in a prime position to explore Kibale National Park. Our own interior decor expert, Jaqi takes us on a room tour at this luxurious lodge.
So this week, we're actually making 2 months
on
Magic One
2 months on TV.
First of all, thank you guys, Crystal Lodges, Crater Safari Lodge.
Yes.
Thank you for celebrating with us. We made 2 months. That's the 2 months anniversary, and they decided to welcome us in style like that. Yeah. So we have a beautiful bed, as you have seen, beautifully designed to celebrate this, our 2-month anniversary on TV of Travel with Enock and Jaqi. Yes, yeah, we keep saying it because we can't believe it feels like forever when we started traveling with you.
Those are 9 episodes.
9.
Together with the entire team, Bill,
it's been cool.
Jaqi, and everyone else on the team. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Absolutely grateful. So Bill, that he keeps talking about, is Bill Flix of Syncat Media. He's in charge of our production and he does a really good job. And of course, our transport partners for making our 2nd anniversary feel so great.
Oh, yes.
Africa
Runners Company.
That's what's up. Okay, so back to the room. This sitting place, every room needs a sitting area.
Before we leave the bed, let's finish up the bed. Tell me about that headboard.
It's a rustic style. It looks like a door, wooden door, the way it's designed, but strong wood. And then I love the bedside lamps. They're actually wooden. They have a wooden base.
Okay.
Yeah. And you see the colors, they're light and calm. And they have matching bedside tables that are really cute. The bed is nice. The canopy on point. And the way the bed is made is really nice. So I also love when you look up.
The roof?
The roof. It's really nice. The way the light is coming down to create a center. Everything in here is
authentic.
It's authentically African, and it is matched really well with the art pieces in here.
Nice.
And look at our curtains.
The curtains, yes.
They are really nice. They do match with our bed cushions. The chairs are just plain white, clean lines, just what's up. So our study table it's nice. It's just got one chair. It's a comfy seat, by the way. It's not your traditional office style chair. It's like a dining chair that was just placed there and over the table, and that mixes the style. Let's go to the bathroom. So what I love most about the bathroom is this light over the mirror. It's really nice. You get to see yourself. You know, mirrors always give you a light reflection, but imagine this light over it, and it's very designer. It looks really cute. I also love our bathtub, and I love the colors, and I also love the rustic wooden piece, the one that's holding the sink. It's a hard wooden piece. It looks really classy.
Yeah.
It's nice, and the way they set up this basket that's holding our shower essentials is really nice. Yes, you really want to have a bath in there. Oh yes, the water bottles. Everything in this room was really well thought of. So the water bottles are not your ordinary. Even the glasses are cute. So you do what you want. You could have your drinking water in here. You could just have your water, for gargling. You do what you want with this water. But the bottles are really, really cute. I also love our closet. It's just open. It's a walk-in. It's open. You can tell how we've laid out our things.
Really by the way, did you see the yoga mat?
Oh yeah. As you can see, this place is luxurious, peaceful, relaxing. So we can do some yoga.
I'm going to do some demonstration on how yoga is done. Now, your best spot of the room.
So my best spot is where we're seated right now, the sitting area in the room. Every room deserves a place to sit. Now, today, if one tip you're to take away from this room tour is the bed is for sleeping, not for sitting. That's why you have a sitting area. If your room is really small, like a lot of our spaces, don't have the luxury of giving you this kind of lounge or sitting area where you have a proper seat to sit. You see what they've done with the bed end? That is another part that I love. Instead, we have a storage it's a storage basket. It opens and closes. But usually, if you don't have space and have a small room, you just have a bench. I love when you wake up to this place, you guys. Oh my gosh, look over there. There's that Crater Lake. It's so peaceful. It's so beautiful. And even the sound of the birds, you hear them knocking and trying to wake you up. And the seat here, yes. This seat outside here, this is to die for as well.
So
I love the animal
comfortable, yeah?
print cushions, and yes, they are really comfy, and they look really good. They do look really good. It's a nice concept.
That was it for this week. See you next week.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye.